We have another example on the board. Please keep in mind that we will try to solve this problem for x, where a represents any real number greater than 0. So this is my a, this is my b, and this is my c. First, we're supposed to write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is equal minus, I'm supposed to copy down this negative sign, b is 4a plus minus square root 4a to the second power minus 4 times a, which is equal a squared, times c, which is equal 4, over 2 times a, 2 times a squared in this case, equals x is equal negative 4a plus minus, and I have 4a to the second power is equal 16a to the second power minus, because I have negative times positive is negative, times positive is negative, 4 times 4 is 16, times a squared is 16a squared, over 2a squared. This is equal negative 4a plus minus square root 16a squared minus 16a squared is equal 0, over 2 times a squared is just 2a squared. Please notice that the discriminant has value equal 0. It means that we are going to have just one solution. I can say I have equals negative 4a over 2a squared. A and square will cancel out. 4 divided by 2 is just 2. That's why I'm going to have negative 2 over a. And this is the solution to my